Oh, we're starting the TV show. You know you're stupid. Hi. This is the program. You know you're stupid. Well, if you know you're stupid, you'll be wearing your shoes backwards. You don't want to be looking like my brother, so. And you know you're stupid. They're watching stupid cartoons like Dora.
Yeah.
You know you're dumb. You don't know your math. Well, that's her. Oh, and you know you're stupid. You've been knitting. You know you're stupid. You've been looking for anything like her.
Okay.
You know you're stupid. The middle finger is this one. You know you're dumb. Hey, you know you're stupid. You know you're so dumb that you be thinking that stupid's some bad word. You know you're stupid that you think. You know you're stupid. You be looking like her with pimples everywhere. You know you're stupid. She just keeps. You know you're stupid. You just keep loving Justin Bieber like her. Well, bye. See you next year. You know you're stupid.